Before placing the cap on the IBC, inspect the gasket and gasket seat area. Ensure that the gasket is properly seated and there is no contamination from other external surfaces that have been picked up on the inside of the cap or gasket. Place the cap over the top fill port and rotate the cap clockwise, keeping the cap level to catch the first few threads. The cap should engage the threads easily and with little resistance. If the thread feels tight or locks at any point, remove the cap and restart the process. Tighten the cap by hand until resistance created by the gasket is felt. Place the IBC cap closure tool on the cap. Attach a torque wrench to the closure tool and continue to torque the cap closed per the closing instructions. It is recommended that the cap sit for 10 to 20 seconds and recheck torque to ensure it is at the torque specified by the closing instructions. If there are small inner plugs present on the cap, use a torque wrench to tighten the bung to the torques specified on the closing instructions. Please note that the fitting, if present in the cap, must be torqued prior to shipment regardless if they are intended to be used. It is also recommended that you let the fitting sit for 10 to 20 seconds and recheck torque to ensure it is at the torque specified on the closure instructions. The closure instructions will detail the method used for closure when the IBC was tested. They contain written instructions and the specified torque at which the package must be closed. Ensure that you can locate and match the cap provided on the IBC to the caps indicated on the closure instructions. Please do not proceed if you cannot match the cap on the IBC to the closure instructions, or if the cap is being substituted for a cap not present on the closure instructions. If in doubt, please contact Greif Technical Services at techserve.questions@greif.com. The latest closure instructions are provided with each shipment of new IBC and will accompany the packing slip, or with the manufacturer's test report. In the event you do not have this document, please contact Greif Technical Services at techserve.questions@greif.com.